Let's firstly talk about the general specifications of Asus Z3 Venom. Operating system will be Android 7.0, Nougat. And it will be available 8GB RAM. Secondly, let's talk about the display of Asus Z3 Venom. 6 inches 2K Super AMOLED display with Corning Gorilla Glass 6. Pixel density 526 pixels per inch. And some sensors are accelerometer, proximity sensor, and fingerprint sensor. Thirdly, let's talk about the processor and the RAM of Asus Z3 Venom. Processor is going to be 2.4 GHz octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 845, whereas the RAM will be 8GB. And fourthly, let's talk about the camera of Asus Z3 Venom. Rear camera will be dual cameras of 12 megapixel, and front camera will have 5 megapixel, with dual tone LED flash. Fifth, we will talk about storage of Asus Z3 Venom. The internally available storage will be 64 GB, and is expandable up to 256 GB with micro SD card. 6. At last we shall get you noticed about the battery. The battery is 5000 mAh non-removable. Moving forward now we shall discuss the price and release date of Asus Z3 Venom. The expected price is $600 that is 40,000 Indian rupees. And the release date shall be around December 2017. And finally we shall talk about the overall score and alternatives for Asus Z3 Venom. Overall score from Smartphonepedia will be 9 out of 10. And the best alternative for Asus Z3 Venom is Apple iPhone 7. Well, I hope you found the information valuable. So, please do a return favor by clicking the like button and subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching Asus Z3 Venom.